feel like you wasted time? I don't know. I don't really know where you're going with this. It feels like I wasted summer, you know? What do you mean? Like we should have been going on like adventures. We should have went to the Grand Canyon. Yeah, say the F word. Made for kids, remember. Do you not remember Made for Kids, you idiot? We cursed before and it didn't matter. Yeah. It'll get marked as Made for Kids anyway, and the poor unexpected soul of a child will stumble upon it and learn what swears are. Stop. Okay, fine. I mean, not really one to talk. You've been wasting all your time with that trophy. What have you been saying? I've been busy hugging my trophy. Whatever. Weren't we gonna do the Henry thing? The Henry thing. The Henry thing. Shit, the Henry thing. Yeah. Forgot about that, jackass. Next, okay, about next short. Next short. Why not this short? I mean, Thomas, can you like really think of a better like excuse like? Also, I don't know why you're trying to get this involved. Don't you explode? When was the last time I had a Spotlight episode? I don't know. That's excellent question. When was the last time I had a Spotlight episode? Get out of here. Get out of here. Well, what about my Spotlight episode? You get out of here too. And we're just gonna stay in. But this isn't necessary. Riff, Jiff, I think that's what your name is. This isn't necessary. Totally is. We're racing legends after all. You should meet fucking Spencer and tell him that. You should be Connor and tell him that. Did you just say him? I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here before Twitter cancels me. Try to go backwards. Hello. I feel like you wasted the summer. We already did this. Oh. I wonder where Gordon is. I don't know. I haven't seen him since he initially escaped the green screen room. And you think I know where he is? If you're the last one who saw him. Yeah. I mean, his tent is right there. Yeah. And look down where Gordon is, okay? Well, yeah. So, yeah. I don't know why you're asking me. I ask because I ask, and that's all I do. I really ask. That's all I do. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Just say nothing? I mean, that's what you do anyway. So. You know, Thomas not being here is weird. Could be worse. Rosie could be not here. That could be a good thing. Wow. Did you hear something that might have been the wind? I'm the fucking punching bag. Yeah, you probably are. We just need to find out where we're going. I love being a ghost, and also have my normal voice again because the bastard known as TNFC is too lazy to record. Like speed up the dialogue. Come on, it was a pain to do it last time. Yeah, I don't really care that much. I wonder who. Oh no. Okay. This is cool. Maybe he won't remember. July 21st. Oh, lying bastard. Lying bastard. Minor mother inconvenience. Wait, why are you getting at me? Wait, why are you mad at me? Because you didn't tell me the truth. And why would you want to know the truth? It's not my fault that I dropped out. Well... Gonna be honest, I just ran into you and because I was running away from Twitter. Yeah, I accidentally called Connor him and now I'm gonna get cancelled. I don't see a mob. So about 5 minutes ago. I have no idea how it got here. Oh!